This is what we'll be creating today for free in Canva, and in the course of this video, I will be showing you how to get free mockups like this. So watch all the videos so you don't miss any important point. So to get started creating your free logo, when you are on your dashboard, you come where it says custom size, then you input the figures here. This is it here, logo, you click on it. Like I said, we'll be creating everything for free from scratch, so follow closely so you don't miss any important step, and watch all the video. So now we're going to add in our text. To add our text, we can just go to the left section and we'll click on text. Or the very fast way to do it is use the shortcut key T on your keyboard and you bring out the text like that. When it's added now like that, we're just going to change the font to our font that we use. This is it, Archivo Black. Click on it and it will be added like that. Then after adding your fonts now like this, you see this middle section. I want to reduce the space that is in between the W and the S. To do that, you click on the text, you come to spacing, letter spacing, and you reduce it a little bit. Something like that is okay. You resize it and you position it in the center. Then you come now to this left section and you search online. You take on graphics. There are many free lines here that you can use. So I already searched for one that I've used earlier. This is it. You click on it. You rotate it nicely. You increase the size. So after positioning your line very well where you want it, you come now and you can just click on the keyboard to bring out the rectangle arrow on the keyboard, or you come here and you search on rectangle. So you just click on arrow to bring up a rectangle like this. Now I want to position it directly on the line. You can scale it up. You bring it gently. If it is snapping where you don't want it to be, you hold the control key on your keyboard and you can bring it gradually. So you bring it very gently like that until it fits where you exactly on the line where you want it to be. You duplicate this page, you bring it down and you do the same thing until you feel it nicely like that, then it is okay. So a very good practice to do now is always duplicate your page where you want to make a very major change. So after duplicating your page now, what we'll do now in this next page is we are going to change this upper color to white. Now the reason why we're changing it to white is because we are going to remove the background after and then we'll combine it. But just follow closely. If you're not a pro user, I'm going to show you how to do this for free. So we come again in this page, you duplicate it. Now you see now I've already changed this upper section to white. In this one that I've duplicated now, we'll change this downer section to white. Then now you come in and you delete this upper section. We have our letter, the upper section of our letter, that's it. You come to this second one and you delete this other side. We have the downer section. So as it is now, we are just going to download it as a PNG. In showing you how to remove the background on a free account, I'm going to download one section as a PNG and one section as a full background, and I'll remove it to show you it is possible. So follow closely. So we'll come to share. We want to download only. We download first as transparent background. Change it to PNG. Transparent. You download. Sorry, not like that. If you download like that, it's going to give you a zip file. I hate these zip file things. Download it again. Download. I want to download only. Come here, you change it to the current page and you download. So you see I've downloaded that page as a PNG. We are going to download this next one as a JPEG. So I'll show you it is possible to do it on a free account. You download and you download. So when it is downloaded now, you just come to this free website and you drag your logo into the website. This is a website. Remove BG. And it's going to remove it for you like this for free. And then you just go now and you download it. It has been downloaded, as you can see here, to a PNG. So you can do that for free. This is it here. It is downloaded now. You go back to Canva, you re-upload your downloads and the other half. Then now you come in and you add a new fresh page, a new blank page like that. And then you come to your upload section and you bring in what you just uploaded. You crop it Follow closely so you don't make any mistake when you are doing yours. Then you position it now nicely. Like I said, if it is clipping where you don't want it to be, you hold on Control key. Then you can position it nicely where exactly you want it to be. And you can enlarge it now. So now to change the color, since this is an image, to change the color now is a different process. To do that, you click on it, you click on the text. I want to click by this upper section, but as you can see, I'm clicking by this downer section. If at any point in time that arrives to you and you want to click by the particular section and the other section is interfering, what you can do is you right click on it and you go to layer and you go to show layer. When you have the layers now, you can click on any section that you want. So this was the section I wanted to click on. You click on it. So when you click on it now, you come where it says edit. You click on it, then you scroll down. You go to this where it says dual tone. You click on it. And when you click on it now, you are able to change it to any color that you want. You can change it to any color you want. And now you should not be scared that if you change it like this, then you can only change it to this color that's provided here. No. If you want to change the color, you come where it says highlight, shadow, you change it, and you can change it. As you can see, I'm changing, the color is changing. You just come to this color wheel and you can manually change it like that to your desired color. So you must not change it to only the color that is given here. This is how you can do to change it to the color you want. You can now click on the downer section, change it again to any color you want, and you can still just go and change it as I've shown you earlier. You come again now and we'll duplicate it. Now we're going to add in our text. I want the text color to be the same as this down section. So what I'll do, I'll click on it. Come where it says text color, click on it. Then you come and you click on this color wheel. Then you take on this brush and you pick the color. And the color is going to be given to this text. I want to add a line. Just come and you search on line. The line color, I want it to be the color of this upper section. Same thing. So I advise you create your own line because these lines, as you can see, if you want to increase the length, it's going to be increasing the width also. Sometimes that's not what you want. To create your own line, you just click on arrow to break up the rectangle, because with this now you can customize it the way you want. To reduce it, you press on your shift key on your keyboard and you can reduce it nicely. If it is snapping, you hold on the control and you can make it the exact size you want. Position it where you want, then change the color now to the upper section. Click on the color wheel, take on this eyedropper and take on the color. Please, if you enjoyed the video so far, like, comment, don't forget to subscribe. You group it now like that and you position it in the middle. So that is our 2D logo. Now to convert it now to 3D for free, you just come now and you download it first. You download it as a PNG, transparent background. I've shown you earlier how to do it for free. So you can go and, if you have skipped that part, you go and watch it back. So this is our logo. Now to bring it to 3D, so to do that, you just visit this page, this website, photop.com. It's totally free. You don't even need to create an account. You come where it says template, you click on it. Follow closely because here you might make a mistake and you'll not have the same result. So you can use any of these logo templates here. You can use any one. So the one I'll be using now is this. You come where there is this link, you click on it, allow it to load. When it loads, you double click on this first page, you double click on it. When you double click on it, you see the text. So to hide the text, you just click on this eye icon to hide the text. Now you go in and you bring your downloaded from image from Canva. I downloaded variations. This is it. You drag it and you bring it in. You size it nicely, position it nicely like that. You can choose to increase the size if you want. Then now you come and you click on file, save as smart object. Click on it once. Allow this outline to go away. Now it is converted to smart object, and you come now, you click on this 3D glass up here once, and that's it. You have your logo. Now to download, you go to File, Export as PNG, a 3D logo. There are some variations that I've downloaded. These are some variations I've been downloading earlier, still from that website. If you want to achieve any, just keep trying those mockups. So that's it.